Morning everyone, you joined me back at the BMW. Today I'm going to test fit the tail lights, so it's time to get these suckers out. Also they have US spec things, and I don't know about Euro regulations and US spec stuff and European cars, and I just don't know. So get those out. I have to get the inner ones out as well, because I have a complete different set of taillights that's going to change the look of the rear end of the car. There will probably be BMW specific screws and stuff for this, but I ain't got them. I'm gonna make do with what I got. So this was the connector that I couldn't get off the other time. For some stupid reason. Timo is back. So that's one out. It's missing a gasket here. Ye old Transit. Amazing piece of kit. Don't know how old it is, but it still works. And here is the new tail light. Huh? Yeah. So these are, let me see if I can show you a little bit more easily. Oh. Come on, do the focus thingy. Thank you. BMW Blackline, specific to the E90. And they are original BMW taillights. Le part number. It's a very nice sticker. And flappy gasket. And soft. Besides that, it already comes with the lights and everything in there. So I'm just gonna hook it up. That was pretty straightforward and very nice. Alright, so this, alright, that's just how the bumper fits. Na. Ow. There's a piece piece of car in the way. Alright. So is this gap now a little bit uniform throughout? It is. You can never get to anything. Alright. I think that's about as... Okay, we'll put the other one on just for fitment's sake. In my humble opinion, for a non-LCI car, see how that already looks a million times better? So the inside one is also smoked gray, just like this one. But doesn't that already look a lot better? With just already the half of it being gray and not red, compared to that, where the top part is red and the inside is white. I don't like that. Look at this. Isn't this a lot cleaner in terms of look as well? Doesn't that, I don't know, I like this look a lot more. You can LCI all you want, but you cannot beat BMW genuine parts that just are an option original from factory. Doesn't that look good? I like it. I like it a lot. Right, so you can buy taillights and you can buy taillights. You can buy Blackline taillights that are black inserts, and you can buy normal ones that have this ugly beige. Never mind. This is the way to go if you have a black car. Lot cleaner. Right, everyone. Moment of truth. Let's just pop a few of these back in so that this doesn't go flying absolutely everywhere that we don't need to go flying before we close the trunk. So that's in. So let me grab out the old ones just so I can show you what the difference is. That, if you ask me, That looks a lot better. So hold the old ones next to it so you can see what I'm on about. Right. And now tell me that Blackline taillights don't look good on a black car. I think this looks amazing. I will say this. LCI does look better, but this is a 2008 car. So this, in my opinion, looks better than facelifting it or ass lifting it to the next level of generation, being LCI. This is period correct, and I like it. Now let's see, do they work? I don't know. Bring it to life. Pop the lights on. Put my microphone clip thing back. Yeah, that's nice. Doesn't that look nice? I think that looks nice. They work, both the parts work. So let me just press on the brakes real quick, see if that part also works. Do the blinker thingies work? The indicators? Those also work. And now you can see that the top one on the right hand side is red, whoop, compared to orange. So that works. Yeah, I'm happy. I'm happy with this. Come on. Ain't that look sexy? Don't that look sexy? A lot of wind on this part now. Blackline taillights. Way to go. See ya.